Hi, hello, this is Shweta. Welcome to my classes. Today we will be dealing with the color of transition metal complexes. So we will understand the reason for the color of transition metal complex. So here I have written one line. What is that? A substance exhibits color when it absorbs the light from visible region. What does it mean? So any complex you take. So if it is getting color means what is the first case? So it is absorbing the light from visible region. This you should know. So you all know the visible region range, isn't it? So it lies from like 3800 to 7600 angstrom, isn't it? This is the visible region range. So if any substance or your complex, if it absorbs the light from this region, then only it will exhibit the color. So if it is absorbing from UV or IR, then it doesn't exhibit any color. So only in this region it should absorb the color. So in this region you know that white light is composed of how many colors? Like 7 colors. That is, you will tell Vibgol, isn't it? So here your V is violet, I is indigo, B is blue, G is green, Y is yellow, O is orange, and R is red. So here this is the range of this spectrum series. Clear? So here you can see that as from violet to red, what happens? Your wavelength is increasing. You agree this? So as you go, your wavelength increases. You know that red is having maximum wavelength, isn't it? So red has maximum wavelength and this violet has least wavelength in this. So as your lambda increases, you know this relation. You should know this relation. E is equal to h nu. In turn, you can write this as hc by lambda. Clear? So now we have the relation between E, lambda and your nu. So here E, as your E increases, your frequency. Nu is what? Frequency. Frequency also increases. But you know that as your E increases, your wavelength decreases. Clear? Here, from this relation. From these two relations, we can have this. Here, E and frequency are directly proportional. Both will increase at a time. Here, E and your wavelength are inversely proportional, isn't it? If it is increasing, then it is decreasing. This you should know. So here you can see the statement. So color of transmitted light is complementary to the color of absorbed light. You will get to know the meaning of complementary. I'll explain now. So before going to that, you understand. So what will happen? Some of the radiation is absorbed by the visible region, isn't it? When radiation is absorbed, only some photons are absorbed, isn't it? From this visible range. So from Vibgol, some of the radiation is absorbed, isn't it? Only some of the photons are absorbed. Some photons are absorbed. Clear? Only some photons are absorbed. But what remaining will be done? So remaining will be, again they will be given back, isn't it? Some photons will be absorbed, remaining are given back. So this remaining which give back, no? So these are nothing but these whatever the photons are given back, no? They will exhibit the color. So that only I have written. Color of transmitted light is complementary to the color of absorbed light. Whatever you will absorb now, that light will be not completely absorbed. Only little of the light will be absorbed. So it will again give back some light. That light is only seen as your complementary color. So I will show you now how to find this complementary color. So complementary color is shown by this color wheel. So you can draw a color wheel like this and make parts like this. Here. So here I will write Vibgol. It is easy to remember. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. So just think that if a complex is absorbing some region, some color from this region, think that it is absorbing your red color. So it is absorbing red color. If it is absorbing red color, then opposite of that is what? Your green color. Then your transmitted light, your complementary color will be green. Like this you have to take. If it is absorbing orange color, then your complementary will be blue. If it is absorbing yellow, then your complementary will be violet. Clear? Like this, you can remember the complementary colors. So here what happens? You understood the concept that whenever any complex or any substance will absorb the color, completely it will not absorb. Some of the photons will again, it gives back. So when it gives back, no, that time whatever the complementary color will be there, no, that will be resulting. Now we will understand the reason why there is a color, why you get the color, what is the phenomenon that is taking place. So your important phenomenon that takes place is DD transition. You have to remember this. So what is DD transition then? So there is a transfer of electrons from in the d orbitals. So for example, it is because of ligand. So one thing you have to remember, ligand should be there. To form this, ligand should be present to happen. So to get a color, ligand should be present and also your like electron should be there. So in D, this no completely filled electron should not be there. You should have the configuration from D1 to D9. Clear? You should have this configuration. Suppose if it is D10 or D0, then no color. You have to remember this. If it is completely filled and if it is completely vacant, then there will be no color for the complex. This you have to remember. So this with example I will tell you. So before going to that, we will study why there is a color. So you already know the octahedral splitting, isn't it? I have drawn that case here. So T2G orbitals here and EG orbitals here, and this will be your delta now. So think that like I have D1 for configuration. So I have D1 configuration, one electron. In this range, our electron is lying. I have one electron in D orbital. So definitely I will place this orbital here. I mean this electron here. Clear? Now what happens? So light from visible region is absorbed. Light from visible region. Any from big or it is visible region is absorbed. So when it is absorbed, so when this will be absorbed, what will happen? So it will help this electron to excite here. So that time what happens? Your excitation takes place. So your excitation takes place. This is the reason that your whatever the electrons will be there, no, one of the electrons should be like from the region. So if all are paired up, then there will be no excitation. Or if vacant orbitals are there, that time also there will be no DD transition. Hence your complex will be colorless. So now the transition takes place, then like you will have the complex colored, isn't it? So now another thing you have to remember, since your delta naught, it varies with the different different complexes, isn't it? It is not same for all the complexes. It depends upon the ligand, whether it is strong field or weak field ligand, isn't it? So this delta naught varies. Since this delta naught is varying, so what happens? Even your energy varies, isn't it? So hence what you will get, your different complexes are different color. This is the reason why all the complexes are not same colored. It because of the delta naught. Now the sad part of this is some coordination complexes are colorless. Now we will understand why they are colorless. Just now earlier also I had explained you, like now we will understand it quite thoroughly. So all d orbitals are filled. So means if it is completely filled means like D10 configuration. So if there is D10 configuration, if all like orbitals are filled, then your coordination complex will be colorless. Okay, and no DD transition in the visible region. There is no DD transition taking place in the visible region. This is the reason why your coordination complexes are colorless. Like you can take the example of Zn2+. Example you can take of Zn2+. So how will you write the D configuration? So like it is in the 12th group, isn't it? 12th group minus 2. So it is group number 12. Zinc is in the group number 12. Minus 2 electrons I am doing. You will achieve what? You will achieve D10 configuration. Hence your Zn2+ is colorless. Even you can take cadmium 2+. Clear? Here even Cd2+ is also colorless. Here again it is in the group number 12. Minus 2 electrons. Then again you will have the D10 configuration. So even this is colorless, you can tell. I hope you understood the video. If you are new to the channel, then please subscribe the channel and tap the bell icon for notification. Thank you.